it's like when you squish it, it's a weird texture. It's like glossy, but it's like a little bit rippy at the same time. But look, I'm just gonna make a swirl and show you that swirl. So when you stretch it slowly, I want it like, I swear guys. Sorry guys. I'm gonna find a better way on filming, but this. Oh, and go visit Sunshine Summer Fun Slime. That we're gonna be selling. That's my other channel. It's a collab channel with Pink Penguin and me, and Purple Panda 2, which is me. But yeah, this slime, I'm like so happy about it. I don't know. It's like this one is like one of my favorites as well. And then I just made this peaches and cream one, but it doesn't smell like it. But I'm getting a peaches and cream scent. This one's a little bit sticky. And I don't have activator, sorry guys, because I just ran out. I need to go get some, but I usually use Tide, but this one is like a beautiful peach color. And then moving on to my smaller slimes. This is this one's very crunchy because of the glitter. This one is like pretty good. Just sorry that I'm not showing you the slimes in depth. Cause like I have to go somewhere with my dad. Sorry, not my dad. I just gotta go somewhere. This is a blue confetti slime. This one's not very stretchy. These are like besides the first one I showed you, this one is, most of them are slimy gloop slimes. I got this one in a kit, but it's like, it feels so good. But it's not stretchy. It's not stretchy because of the slimy gloop. This one I made with the chemo fruit slices. It's fruit water. Like, literally, guys, look how clear this is. Just love this. Sorry, guys. Just love this. And I also I have to go slime supply shopping. But I don't want to get the glue. You know how it's like almost back to school season? And usually at back to school season, this from the kid. You know how like back to school season? This orange. I didn't add anything. I did add stars, but I don't know what happened to the stars. But these ones melt in the sun. But I gotta put them in the sun, you know what I mean? And then I have this mermaid one. This one has princess beads, like pearls and pom-poms. And then this one's homemade. Look how pretty this is. It has gold glitter. It literally has like gold glitter with a few big silver glitters, but otherwise it's like bomb. I just love the texture. And guys, when it clears up, it's like so amazing. This is my Christmas tree slime. It's stretchy. This is my Christmas tree slime. There's like holographic glitter and silver beads in here. This one is one of my favorites. And I don't sell this one. I don't have any slimes up for sale yet. Sunshine Summer Fun Slimes, I'm working on that company, but this one's like so pretty. Moving. This gold one. This one's so soft as well. I don't know why. I forgot how soft this one was. Look, when you... Now let's poke it. Oh, you want to like... both hands the slime. I'm not a very good ASMRist. But yeah, guys. So this video is about like, it's gonna be about like 28 minutes long. I think because we're at 17. This is my alien gut slime. This is my alien gut slime. It has like black glitters and trust me guys, these beads, they're black, right? Yeah, they're black. But they were silver. I really don't know what happened to them. But that's alien gut slime. It's one of the firmer ones. This is mermaid sea. Sorry guys, you can't see it. You can see it, but I mean you weren't able to see it before because it has just like the mermaid color and it has yeah guys, so it's very pretty. And it's like, I have a lot of glitters, but it's like transparent. I want to minimize this video to like 25 minutes if I can. So that's why I'm hurrying, guys, because we're already at 18. So this is the Christmas slime. It's just red with, I don't know, you can see it better, but I'm not playing with that. The silver one I'm going to play with because it's nice and soft. Oh. It has gold stars. This one's so soft. Sorry guys. We have 4 more to go and I promise we're done. This is my cake batter slime. This one's soft too. What happened to this one? This is like hard. Cake batter. It has like gold stars, holographic glitter and confetti. What's my life, guys? Then I have this blue one. Why is this one so good as well? I just probably forgot how good Slimy Gloop was. Oh, guys. That's like a clear butter, you know? And has pom-poms. But the pom-poms aren't like jelly cubes. Bleh. Jelly cubes, and then we have 2 more to go. And I do have a purple and a pink.